Hey everyone, it's Melanie from EnjoyFreebies.com. This is not the first time I've talked about how crappy my skin is. I am 43 years old, I have wrinkles, and I have the skin of a freaking teenager. My skin is very inflamed, I have really bad acne, and right now my skin is very mad at me. Unfortunately, I'm also a picker, which means I can't leave my zits alone. There's a zit popping up and I see a whitehead, I have to go for it. It's kind of a little bit of an obsession of mine. So not only is my skin angry, right now it's actually pretty pissed off. So it's very inflamed and it's actually really sore. So I decided I needed to go out and get myself some type of a mask. And I did some searching online to try to figure out what would be the best mask for somebody with my type of skin with really bad acne. And I read the reviews and I ended up getting this, which is the L'Oreal Pure-Clay Mask. This is the black one, Detox and Brighten. This is with the charcoal in it. And this is gonna be my first time using this product. And we're gonna see if it helps calm down my inflamed skin. Now this one, it came with a little mini cleanser as well. This is the L'Oreal Pure-Clay Cleanser. I just used it in the shower, just as you can see, I just got out of the shower a few minutes ago. And this cleanser is actually really nice. You pour a little bit in your hand and you get it all soapy like a foam, and it feels really good. So, but we're here to talk about the mask. So I'm gonna open this up. This is gonna be my first time using this product. And this is the little jar it comes in. And it has a little thing on the lid here. Let's pop that off. It smells pleasant. It smells a little bit like, I smell the clay definitely, but it's not an unpleasant scent. It's fairly mild, but let's try it out on my skin and see how it works. So this is what it looks like inside. It's thick and it's definitely like clay. Feeling pretty smooth. It's really wet, so that's good. I like that. I don't like using masks that dry as you're putting it on. It's kind of a pain. Feel a little bit of stinging right here. It might be because it's a sensitive area, or it's like right in the crease of my nose. I feel a little bit of stinging sensation. I think that skin right there is a little bit drier than other skin. Yeah, I feel it. All right, don't I look gorgeous? Woo woo! I can't wait to go out there and scare my son and husband. Now I'm just gonna leave this on for about 15 minutes and we'll wash it off and see how it brightens up my skin and see if it makes it feel any better. Now I actually am feeling a little bit of a cooling sensation as it's drying. That's something I haven't experienced with a mask before, so I'm kind of liking it a little bit. It feels really good and it feels really refreshing. All right, peeps, I'm back. It's been about 15 minutes. You can see it hasn't all completely changed to the light gray. Pretty dry right now. I want to wash it off my face because it's super tight. Check out what it's doing to my skin. Look at all those little dots. Jeez, are those my freaking pores? Oh my god. That is really scary. I'm so sorry that you had to see that. But I'm gonna wash this off and let's see if it's calmed down my skin at all, okay? Here we go. This is the washing in progress. It's taking a little bit of time there. Oh, I got a little mustache. It got stuck in a lot of my little nooks and crannies on my face. Ah, there we go. Oh, my skin feels really nice. I feel like it might have even tightened up my pores a little bit. I feel like it looks a little bit more even. I have no makeup on still. Yes, I still have the angry skin. Here, I need to take that towel off my head. My skin feels really nice and it actually feels kind of soft and smooth. It definitely feels really clean. I have that little of that clean shine going on. See if my pores look any Do my pores look any tighter to you? And the thing I love about charcoal is it's well known to be used as a filter. So for example, they use it in fish tanks to clean them up. They use it when somebody has ingested something poisonous or bad for them to clear out the toxins. So if it works that well internally, it's gotta work that great externally too, right? So anyway, I don't know, so far I like it. Oh, my skin does feel really soft. Hopefully it will calm down my hormonal acne. So far I really like this. So if you're interested in purchasing this product, this is the L'Oreal Pure-Clay Mask. This is Argile Pure, it says. It's the black one. It's the detox and brighten version. So I will put the link up on my video below. I hope you enjoyed my review. Thank you so much for watching.